Imagine a machine so powerful it can flatten mountains, carve highways through deserts, and transform wild terrain into smooth, polished runways. These aren't just machines, they're the titans of construction, the gladiators of grading. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most insane motor graders on the planet. Massive beasts that can stretch longer than a school bus and weigh as much as 10 African elephants. Buckle up because these machines aren't just strong, they're mechanical legends. 10. Case 885B. Kicking off our list at number 10, the Case 885B, straight out of the US. At 28 feet long and tipping the scales at 42,000 pounds, this beast is like having a fighter jet on wheels, minus the wings. With a 220 horsepower engine and a torque of 726 feet-pounds, it can pull 21,400 pounds of dirt like it's nothing. Its 8-foot-wide blade may look modest, but don't be fooled. It's precision-tuned for highway-grade smoothness, cruising at speeds of up to 27 miles per hour. That's faster than most tractors and even some small cars. And while it only holds 9 gallons of fuel, that's because it's built for short, intense bursts of power. 9. SEM 900-919s. Coming in at number 9 is China's SEM 9919, a sleek workhorse designed for long-haul grading. Same length as the Case, 28 feet, but this one clocks in at 33,000 pounds, making it a lighter, more nimble player. With 202 horsepower and a torque of 482 feet-pounds, it's not the strongest, but its real flex is in its 13-foot-wide blade and 28-inch max cutting depth. It's designed for wider, flatter terrain, perfect for massive construction projects across Asia. Plus, with an 84-gallon fuel tank, the SEM 9919 can go the distance. Long days, less downtime. 8. Volvo G946C. From the engineering minds of Sweden comes the Volvo G946C, a 43,000-pound marvel with Scandinavian muscle. Powered by a roaring 274 horsepower engine and 885 feet-pound torque, it pulls a jaw-dropping 38,500 pounds of earth behind its 12-foot blade. It's all about traction and control. Whether it's icy Scandinavian roads or muddy jungle trails, the G946C holds firm. And thanks to its massive 103-gallon tank, it doesn't just work, it endures. 7. C8 Don't blink, this next one's fast. The SMG200-C8, also from China, is built for speed. 253 horsepower, nearly 1,000 feet-pound torque, and a top speed of 28 miles per hour. This is one of the fastest graders out there. It weighs 45,700 pounds and has a wide 14-foot blade that can dig 28 inches deep. This machine is like the sports car of the heavy machinery world. Fast, aggressive, and precise. With an 89-gallon tank, it's ready to run from dawn to dusk. Number 6. At number 6, we've got the SDLG G9220, a model that blends efficiency with raw functionality. Weighing in at 36,300 pounds, it's got a 221 HP engine and 597 feet-pound torque. What makes this grader stand out? Its 14-foot blade and 30-inch cutting depth. It may only travel at 16 miles per hour, but what it lacks in speed, it makes up for in precision control. Perfect for fine-tuning construction sites. Think of it as the surgeon of the motor grader world. Number 5. Dormashina DM14. Time to head to Russia for something rugged. The Dormashina DM14 is a Cold War-era throwback modernized for today's toughest terrain. At 35,000 pounds and just 180 horsepower, it's not a power king. But don't underestimate it. The DM14 is a tank. It's built to withstand extreme weather, operate in permafrost, and last decades with minimal maintenance. Its 11-foot blade, 20-inch depth, and 87-gallon tank make it a durable, dependable force in rough conditions. Number 4. Number 4 is a legend. John Deere's 872 GGP. This American giant is 34 feet long, weighs over 47,600 pounds, and delivers 300 horsepower with a neck-snapping 197 feet-pound of torque. Its 8-foot blade might seem small until you realize it can pull nearly 50,000 pounds of material. With a 110-gallon tank, this monster doesn't stop. It's often used in military and mega infrastructure projects. And yes, it's built like a tank with green paint. Number 3. Kato GD675-7. From the precision capital of the world, Japan, comes the Kato GD675-7. This 35-foot grader is all about balance, At 42 to 300 pounds with 221 horsepower and 694 feet-pound of torque, it's not the strongest, but its technology is cutting edge. GPS systems, auto leveling, operator comfort, it's the smart grader. Its 13-foot blade and 25,000-pound pull force make it perfect for urban development, where every inch counts. Number 2. XCMG GR5505. Ready for a jaw-dropper? Meet the XCMG GR5505, China's mega machine. At a ridiculous 50 feet long and 169,000 pounds, this isn't a grader, it's a land-crushing monster. A 599 horsepower engine, 1,498 feet-pound torque, a 24-foot blade and 24-inch depth means this thing doesn't just shape land, it redefines it. Used for airports, high-speed rails, and national highways, it's built for big jobs and bigger results. Number 1, and finally, the king of them all, the Cat 24, the biggest, baddest motor grader ever made. At 54 feet long and 161,000 pounds, it's literally longer than a city bus. 535 horsepower, 1,636 feet-pounds torque, and a blade that pulls a mind-blowing 86,500 pounds. That's not grading, that's domination. Designed for massive mining and desert operations, the Cat 24 is a symbol of American heavy-duty engineering. With a 240-gallon tank, it's ready to work for days without a break. So which of these earth-carving monsters impressed you the most? Was it the speed of the SMG200, the sheer size of the XCMG GR5505, or the unstoppable power of the Cat 24? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you love mega machines, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Because next time, we're diving into the world's most massive excavators. This is Motor Vibe Talk, and we bring the heavy metal madness, one beast at a time.